August dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how you can do this add yours trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to go to your Instagram app, and then from there you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to type in Ellie and John YTT. And on this profile, on this Instagram profile, you will see that you can go to August add yours at highlights, and here is the place where you will find the sticker. So now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker, and you can also check my other viral trends if you like this one for example, or this one. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you have to go to your uploads and choose some photo from August. I will go with this photo. Now, if you want to add your second photo, you just have to place your first photo where you want, and then you have to go to stickers here at the top, and then you have to scroll down and click on this plus icon, and it will get you to your gallery once again, and from there you can choose your second, third photo, or how many photos you want to add here. But I will leave it just like this with one photo. Now you can place your sticker where you want, and if you want to add your sticker to the top, you just have to click on it. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram profile, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click on that if you are not able to click on the add yours button. If this video was useful for you, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.